I want to take a peep over a particular fence this evening. This development with former Manchester United young player Mason Greenwood forced to leave the club after his well-documented off-the-field issues. I'm not quite sure where his future lies in terms of club football or, importantly, international football as it relates to playing for England. And that, I think, is an opportunity for the Jamaica Football Federation to make the approach to get Greenwood to play for Jamaica. Remember though, the principle of a man being presumed innocent until proven guilty still applies in Jamaica, as it should. And at 22, Greenwood is still a super talent and still has a lot to offer as one of the best young players in the world. And since he remains eligible to play for Jamaica, he's out at Man U and don't think England will call him back. So let us welcome Mason Greenwood to Jamrock. Yes. JFF once again, the ball is in your court. Move on this one with some alacrity and seize this opportunity. That's it.